What's up guys, ITD here. So our topic for today is how to set a home page. Okay, so just click this new, click the settings. Okay, and let's just find this. Yeah, there. Open a specific page or set of page. Click add new page. So here I'll try to bookmark my YouTube channel. Click add there. Let's restart the Chrome. Let's open it. Oh, there you have it. Nice and clear. Easy, right? So easy. There. So if you wanted to remove the home page, just go to settings again, go back to settings, click the dot here and remove. Just a tip, if the browser doesn't have home page, it will speed up the startup. There, see? There you have it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.